Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Half the year is gone already. Can't believe how time flies. Today's episode is all about songs that are sung in a bath or while someone is bathing, I should say. I know it's an odd kind of a theme, but there are such beautiful songs on this theme. Oh, I had to share this. The first song is from a movie called Footpath. It came out in 1953 and it was about black marketeering. Zia Sarhadi wrote and directed the movie, Dilip Kumar, Meena Kumari in the lead. It was a very serious movie. It was actually very well received. This young man, he's impoverished, he's educated, he's very desperate. So he enters this whole black marketing kind of game and he's hoarding pharmaceuticals he becomes fabulously wealthy. But sadly, he alienates everyone who loves him, his friends, his brother, his sister-in-law, everyone. And it takes a very serious personal tragedy for him finally to get back on the path of reform and, honest living. The music for the movie was Khayyam Saab. Majroo Saab wrote most of the lyrics, except for this one song that I want to share. Ali Sardar Jafri wrote the lyrics for this particular bath song, picturized on Meena Ji. The cinematography is lovely. She looks luminous in this song. Asha Ji has sung the song, Kaisa Jadoo Dala Re, from Footpath.
कैसा जादू डाल रे बलमान जाने घड़ी घड़ी मचले रे जिया नहीं माने कैसा जादू डाल रे बलमान जाने घड़ी घड़ी मचले रे जिया नहीं माने ला 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 मचले रे जिया नहीं माने
12 o'clock. This was a thriller, noir style. Guru Dutt, Wahida Rahman, and the great Rahman are all in this movie, significant roles and so on. It's a very fun movie to watch if you haven't seen it. The cinematography, everything it's fun. It's like very edgy, beautiful music. Music for the movie was O.P. Nair, with Sahil Ludhianvi and Majroo Saab both writing lyrics for the songs. So this song is a solo by Mohammad Rafi. And it's Guru Dutt, obviously, singing it. They're both in their own homes, but like on separate floors, so, different flats. And she can hear him singing. So this is sort of in the morning, she's sleeping and he starts whistling and singing this song. And so she wakes up and both of them are getting ready in the morning and, bathing and so on. So the whole song is set in that kind of a scene. So from 12 o'clock, मैं खो गया यहीं कहीं.
मैं खो गया यहीं कहीं, जवां है रुस्तमा हंसी, कहाँ है दिल किसे पता, कहाँ हूँ मैं खबर नहीं। मैं खो गया यहीं कहीं, जवां है रुस्तमा हंसी, कहाँ है दिल किसे पता, कहाँ हूँ मैं खबर नहीं। मैं खो गया, मैं खो गया, मैं खो गया, मैं खो गया। किसी से हुआ सामना, दिल ने आवाज दी थामना। यूं किसी से हुआ सामना, दिल ने आवाज दी थामना। जान क्या कह गई वो निगाह नाज़नी, जान क्या कह गई वो निगाह नाज़नी। मैं खो गया यहीं कहीं, जवां है रुस्तमा हंसी, कहाँ है दिल किसे पता, कहाँ हूँ मैं खबर नहीं। मैं खो गया, मैं खो गया।
Tarzan in Delhi. I know. It's a Dara Singh Mumtaz movie. It was made for B and C towns. These were highly entertaining, low budget films, and they were very, very, very popular. Even though they were low budget films, they made a lot of money. So Mumtaz was paid immensely well for these movies, like 1 to 1.5 lakhs per movie. And this was like late 50s through the mid 60s. I mean, come on. So good money, but not recognition. It took them a while before they realized that she was A grade material. So this song is a solo by Lata ji, and it's picturized obviously on Mumtaz singing the song. It's a very cute song. From Tarzan in Delhi, Husn Ikrar Kare.
हुस्न इकरार करे, इश्क इनकार करे, ऐसे नादान से अब जैसे कोई प्यार करे। हुस्न इकरार करे, इश्क इनकार करे, ऐसे नादान से अब जैसे कोई प्यार करे। हुस्न इकरार करे। जाने वैसे दो जहां को, मेरे जी की दास्तां को बोला, समझे बोला जाने। जाने वैसे दो जहां को, मेरे जी की दास्तां को बोला, समझे बोला जाने। हाय ना तो 100 बार करे, हाँ ना एक बार करे, ऐसे नादान से अब जैसे कोई प्यार करे। हुस्न इकरार करे।
Jhuk Gaya Asma. My personal favorite, actually. I enjoyed this movie so much. It's hilarious. It's a rom-com. There's a bit of reincarnation thrown in. It's just crazy, but so much fun. Saira Banu, Rajendra Kumar, Prem Chopra, the villainous villain. So good. Music. Shankar Jaikishan, Shailendra ji, Hasrat ji, S.H. Bihari, all writing lyrics for this movie. So this particular song is, of course, Saira Banu, In the Bath. She had so many of these In the Bath kind of songs in her career. Nice songs too. I mean, Lata ji sang for her, so really nice songs. So this one, she's in love. She's met this young man and she suddenly realizes that she really, really likes him and so on. So she's singing this and he I think is hiding in her room for some reason, which I can't remember right now. But he's also sort of listening to this whole song, and it's night time, so she's, in the bath. Then she gets ready for bed and so on. So in Lataji's voice, from Jhuk Gaya Asma, उनसे मिली नजर के मेरे होश उड़ गए.
उनसे मिली नजर के मेरे होश उड़ गए. उनसे मिली नजर के मेरे होश उड़ गए. ऐसा हुआ सर, ऐसा हुआ सर, ऐसा हुआ सर के मेरे होश उड़ गए. उनसे मिली नजर के मेरे होश उड़ गए. जब वो मिले मुझे पहली बार, उनसे हो गई आंखें चार. जब वो मिले मुझे पहली बार, उनसे हो गई आंखें चार. पास न बैठे पल भर वो, फिर भी हो गया उनसे प्यार. फिर भी हो गया उनसे प्यार. इतनी थी बस खबर, इतनी थी बस खबर, इतनी थी बस खबर के मेरे होश उड़ गए. उनसे मिली नजर के मेरे होश उड़ गए.
Padosan, the movie of the century, and yet another Sairaji in the Bath song. She was in the lead with Sunil Dutt, Kishore Kumar, and Mahmood. It was Mahmood Saab movie. They were basically the show stealers in the movie. Apparently, I don't know how true this is, Kishore Kumar's character was based partly on Pancham's uncle and partly on the great music director Khemchand Prakash. I don't know if this is true. This is something I read when I was doing my research for this song. And you have Saira Banu in the bath. It starts off with her, doing this la 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 kind of thing. And, Sunil Dutt is listening to this, and then you see one beautiful leg pop out of the bathtub. Rumor also has it that Saira ji had insured her beautiful legs separately because they were so beautiful. Who knows? Pancham Das music with Rajendra Krishan writing the lyrics. Rajendra Krishan also wrote the screenplay and dialogues for the movie. It was based on a Bengali story called Pasher Bari. And of course, the movie, runaway hit. And now, of course, a cult classic. So, in Lataji's beautiful voice from Padosan, Bhai Battur.
भाई बत्तूर अब जाएंगे कितनी दूर. नाजुक नाजुक मेरी जवानी चलने से मजबूर. हो भाई बत्तूर अब जाएंगे कितनी दूर. नाजुक नाजुक मेरी जवानी चलने से मजबूर.
Anubhav, this was the first of the trilogy that Basu Bhattacharya made on marital discord and urban settings, kind of a thing. Beautiful, beautiful movie. As I've mentioned earlier, it was shot entirely in Tanuja ji's flat. So it has a very intimate feel. You really feel as though you are actually a true spectator to this couple's life, happy times, sad times, conflict, all of it. Very, very beautiful cinematography. Music, outstanding. Kanu Roy's music with Gulzar Saab's lyrics. Geeta Dutt has these two solos which are stunning, stunning solos. And then, of course, in the Manada episode, I had played his solo from the movie. So this is picturized on Tanuja ji. She's bathing and singing this song. It is so divine. You can even see sort of the dust motes in the light when, she's soaping herself, kind of a thing. Oh, so beautiful. Geeta Dutt's lovely voice from Anubhav. Ye dil jo mera hota.
मेरा दिल जो मेरा होता पलकों से पकड़ लेती होठों पे उठा लेती हाथों में खुदा होता मेरा दिल ला 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 हा 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 सूरज को मसल के मैं चंदन की तरह मलती सोने सा बदन लेकर कुंदन की तरह जलती इस गोरे से चेहरे पर आईना फिदा होता मेरा दिल ला 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 हा 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 हा
Saudagar, which came out in 73. This was Amitabh Bachchan, Nutan, and Padma Khanna. It was a love triangle type thing. The role that Amitabh Bachchan plays, he is a trader in palm sugar, and he marries this widow who is an expert palm jaggery maker. And he marries her so that he can get her jaggery for free, and he's going to make money off of this. He's very unscrupulous. He's a bit of a rotter in it, but you kind of have like a sneaking smidgen of sympathy for this man because he's doing this to get money to marry this woman whom he loves, Padma Khanna. It is just, he is a rotter essentially, but like I said, you kind of feel sorry for him too. So this part, this song, is picturized on Padma Khanna. Now they're married. He has thrown Nutan by the wayside and taken her money and is now married to Padma Khanna. And he's gone away to sell the jaggery and so on. She is supposed to be making the jaggery at home, but she decides that she's going to get ready and, be all prettified for when her husband gets home. So Asha ji has sung this song so beautifully. And Ravindra Jain, of course, his lyrics, his music, because it's a Rajeshri Productions. From Saudagar, Sajna hai mujhe sajna ke liye.
सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए जरा उलझी लटे सवार लूं हर अंग का रंग निखार लूं के सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए सजना के लिए सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए
Manoranjan, Shami Kapoor's directorial debut. This was a remake of an English movie called Irma la Douce, which Jack Lemmon and Shirley MacLaine were in the lead for that movie. Incredibly good movie, so entertaining. Shami Kapoor really did a good job directing this movie, actually. You had Zinat Aman, Sanjeev Kumar in the lead. Kind of an unlikely pairing, but that's what you wanted. You know, it's this honest, kind of simpleton cop paired with this very worldly wise prostitute. And it's not a glorification really of prostitution, but it deals with that whole topic in a very different, non blaming and shaming kind of way. Sadly, the audience was not ready to receive this movie at the time. It flopped. But the music was a big hit. Pancham Da with Anand Bakshi's lyrics. And this song, Zinat Aman sings it. She's taking a shower, she's getting ready, but Asha ji, who sung the song, has sung it sort of just a little above a whisper. Because, you know, she's presumably trying to be quiet because her lover is asleep and doesn't want to wake him. It is an exquisite song. The composition is beautiful and it has been sung so well by Asha ji. I love this song, in case you haven't realized yet. From Manoranjan, Chori Chori Sola Singar Karungi.
चोरी चोरी सोला सिंगार करूंगी आज सारी रात इंतजार करूंगी सोए है मेरे बेहरवा सोए है मेरे बेहरवा चोरी चोरी सोला सिंगार करूंगी आज सारी रात इंतजार करूंगी सोए हैं मेरे बेहरवा सोए हैं मेरे बेहरवा हाँ चोरी चोरी सोला सिंगार करूंगी लिपटे बदन से शोले अगन के तेरे लगन के खेलो न मन से मेरे कह दूंगी मैं ये सजन से हाँ तेरे लगन के खेलो न मन से मेरे कह दूंगी मैं ये सजन से ना जीना हाँ हाँ जी हाँ एक गिला सा पार करूंगी आज सारी रात इंतजार करूंगी सोए हैं मेरे बेहरवा सोए हैं मेरे बेहरवा चोरी चोरी सोला सिंगार करूंगी
That's it for today, friends. There are more bathing songs, and maybe you guys have some suggestions, so please send them over. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who have not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the words among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.